Hey, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install rear set savers on your Honda Grom. Let's go. So here's your rear set saver as you're going to receive it. Everything's all put together. I'll have a zip tie on here to hold it. It's a pretty straightforward process. This lower nut right here is what you're gonna pull that out. It's a 12 millimeter. Set that aside. You don't need it. To install your rear set saver here, you're gonna need an M6 bit. You're not gonna be able to get away with just the regular L-shaped stuff, and an extension, so it fits all in there. Make sure you're in the end of the. Here, I'll take this apart. This is what you're looking at. That's inside your rear set saver. There's also 2 bushings in there. You can kind of see them, but anyhow, that's just a matter of taking out your stock bolt and running your new rear set savers on. It's an M8 bolt, so it gets torqued down to 20 foot-pounds. You can throw some blue Loctite on there if you want. There you go. Clicks, done. And now hopefully your rear sets are safe from breaking. The reason we install these is so this is your bottom point, so you don't end up end up laying the Grom over, and then you snap the rear sets right here. When you lay it over, the bolt that you just installed there, it's going to break or bend, probably bend. It's a lot easier to replace a bolt than it is to replace the whole rear set. I've got a few of these in stock on the website. I don't know how long. We'll see how they sell, if I'm going to keep them in stock or not. But you can grab them there. I'll have all the links in the description. If I am out of stock on them and you want a pair, just let me know and I'll get you hooked up in case if I run out or whatever. So that's pretty much it, my people. You just take the one bolt out and you're putting another one in. It's got a bunch of other stuff on it. If you got any questions at all, please let me know. I got a few of these coming in. I'll have them for sale soon if I don't already. The link will be in the description below, obviously. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next group ride. Stay rad.